Welcome back to Tech Tips and Tricks. Are you ready to master Windows 11? Today, we're diving into advanced tips and tricks that will transform the way you use your PC. Stick around, because in just 2 minutes, you'll learn how to become a Windows 11 Pro. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let's jump right in. Have you ever wondered how to supercharge your multitasking on Windows 11? Tip number 1 is Snap Layouts. Snap Layouts let you quickly organize multiple windows on your screen. Hover over the Maximize button and choose a layout. It's perfect for juggling multiple tasks efficiently. Struggling with desktop clutter? Tip number 2, Virtual Desktops. Create separate desktops for different tasks. Click on Task View or press Win plus Tab, then New Desktop. Easily switch between them to keep your workspaces organized. Need help managing your day? Tip number 3, Focus Sessions. In the Clock app, Focus Sessions set work and break timers. Integrate Spotify for focus music. Open the Clock app, set your timer, and start boosting your productivity. Navigating through files a hassle? Tip number 4, Enhanced File. Explorer, Windows 11's file. Explorer has a cleaner interface and a new toolbar for quick actions. Use quick access to pin frequently used folders. Want to customize your PC? Tip number 5, Advanced Personalization Options. Right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. Change your background, theme, and start menu. Dive into the settings and make your PC truly yours. And there you have it, 5 advanced tips and tricks to master Windows 11 in just 2 minutes. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got your own Windows 11 tricks? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.